a screenshot claiming that Tanzania is banning Swahili, which is the language that is being used by the majority of Tanzanians, went viral, and people were not pleased with this report because Swahili is seen as a hope to unite Africans because Swahili is being used in Tanzania, Uganda, Kenya, some parts of Democratic Republic of Congo, some parts of Rwanda. South Africa has accepted it in their schools. So when you talk about people coming together and speaking the same language so that we can connect more, usually a lot of people recommend that everybody in Africa accepts Swahili so that, we can unite even more and have the same language and share the same language and understand one another. So the fact that Tanzania was banning Swahili in their schools created an outrage because people did not expect this from Tanzania, but it turns out it was fake. So the screenshot that went viral shows that DW Africa posted it, which is a Dutch platform, and it says Tanzania has banned Swahili, one of its official language, from secondary schools across the East African country. Its curriculum has mainly been taught in Swahili, including subjects such as physics, biology, and chemistry until now. Benjamin Oganga, Deputy Director of Secondary Education at the President's Office, said the unprecedented step is aimed at ensuring that students can express themselves properly in the Queen's language. Obviously, people are like, what? You're banning Swahili for the Queen's language? What does that even mean? Why would you do this? And that's when the government spokesperson came out and said, quote, Tanzania is not banning Kiswahili from secondary schools. We are highly promoting the language and even started preparation to export Kiswahili teachers to other countries that are interested to learn the language. I'm glad he said that because even me, I was going to come here and say lots and lots of things because, why would we do that? Why are we going backwards when we're supposed to take a step forward? Language is important. That's why when the former colonizers colonized Africa, whichever country they colonized, they made sure that they forced you into speaking their language. Why? Because it's going to help them in their quest to make you forget about your culture and just follow whatever they tell you. So language is extremely important. That's why we need our own language, the language that we all can speak, and that's how we communicate. And as I said, people have been trying to make Swahili that language for Africa. So when this news broke out and Tanzania is banning Swahili, a lot of people caught feelings, but now I guess we can relax. Anyways, fam, let us know down below what your thoughts are about this story. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.